everyone! Today I'll be showing you a really cool design using the endless falls knot. In this design we will be connecting rows of those endless falls together. Let's get started. Go ahead and attach 3 ropes to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now we're going to add in a second rope to each of these lark's head knots by loosening that knot up slightly so that you have this nice loop that goes horizontally. Take your second piece of rope and stick it through that loop. Pull it through so it's even on both sides. And then you can just tighten that knot back up. Repeat this 2 more times. Now we will begin tying the endless falls knot. To make this knot, we're going to take the cord on the far left and the far right and cross the left over the right to form a loop. I like to think of it as 2 different loops, a loop on the left and a loop on the right with the 2 other strings hanging straight down. I'm going to take that middle right cord and twist it up to go through the right-sided loop. Now I'm going to take the middle left cord to twist up and go through that left-sided loop. Now I'm just going to go back and pull on my blue cords that were on the 2 ends to tighten this up. Then I can just gently pull on those middle strings as well. And this is the endless falls knot. I'm going to repeat that again with both these other sections. Now we're going to make a second row of our endless falls knots, and when we make the second row we will be connecting them all together. So again, our blue strings are the ones that will be crossing over each other to form those loops. I'm going to take the far left blue string, I'm going to skip the one that's connected to this first endless falls knot and take the next one. So the one on the left side from that middle knot. And I'm just again going to cross left over right to form those 2 loops. Take out those grayish colored string. So these 2 strings here in the middle, the gray ones, are once again going to twist up and through the loop. So I'm going to start with the middle right, twist it up to go through that right loop. Now I take the side on the left, twist up and around and through that left loop. And once again, pull those blue strings to tighten it up. Just like that. Now I'm going to do the middle section. So I'm going to take that blue cord that we skipped from the very first section and cross it over the cord on the left side of that last endless falls knot. Left over right. Kind of pinch it up so you see your loop and take those 2 gray strings in the middle section to form the knot. Twist the right up and over so it goes through the right side, and take the left middle up and over so it goes through the left loop. Once again, pull to tighten. And lastly, we will be working with the last section. So again, take that blue cord we skipped that was in the middle section and take the last remaining blue section all the way on the right end. Cross the left over the right to form your loops. Send that middle right up and over and around to go through the right-sided loop, and then take the left middle cord to go up, around, and through the left side of the loop. Take your blue strings to pull and tighten. And now we can continue this process for as many rows as we would like. Let me show you one more time. Take the cord all the way on the far left of that first endless falls section. Then skip the next blue cord and take the one next to that. It's the cord on the left side of your middle endless falls section. Cross the left over the right and pinch it here in the center so you see a nice defined loop. Bring up those first two middle cords of the first endless falls section. Now take the right side of the middle and twist it up to go through the right side of the loop. Now take that left middle section, twist it up, around, and through the left middle of the section. And pull it nice and tight. Just like that. Continue all the way across. You guys can keep continuing your rows of endless falls knot using this method for as long as you want. You can also add more ropes to make this a wider pattern if you would like. Of course, you can change out your colors and just use one color or use any colors you would also like to customize this design. This design is great for wall hangings, plant hangers, bag handles, or anything else you can think of. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.